Hey guys, it's Sean, and here's where you can find Zariah's creations on social media. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do an unboxing of a Xyron sticker machine where I'm going to create a sticker out of this I guess it's cardboard, not really chipboard. I took a product, but I want to make it into a sticker so that I can glue this on and make it into an actual notebook. So I've never used a Xyron before, and I purchased this Xyron from Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description down below to where you can purchase your own. I've seen it on YouTube, and I want to be able to make notebooks. Now this one here, this creator sticker is only 5 inches. Yeah, 5 inches by 10 feet. So that is the adhesive. So I'm taking it that the inside is the 5 inches, and well, let's get it open so I can actually be accurate in my measurement. I don't want to steer you guys wrong. There we go. And so there's instructions in English. Okay, great. We do have English instructions. Comes with a latch, a cartridge compartment, knob, a tray, a tear bar, and an output tray. Shows you how to use the sticker. Shows you how to load the cartridges. And I'm assuming that you can purchase cartridges once these run out. So that is the tear portion. So I'm going to assume that we are going to put it inside of here. I do see something, I don't know if you can see that little plastic shiny on the inside. You have to open it. Okay, so to open it, I push this white button to open it, and I guess this is the sticky part and the roller that you have to turn. And let's see, we are going to, sorry guys, we're shaking, make sure I get it right. So we are going to put the side that we want to get sticky, that we're going to cover up, is this side, right? So we're going to put that part down. And it actually is not telling me which side to put down. So as I'm pushing this in, you can hear. So that's the sticky part. So I'm just gonna roll it, and it's tough. And I don't have no elbow grease. Let's see. So here's the knob. And I'm turning, and I'm turning. I feel like I'm gonna break it. It's not automatic, so you gotta have some, gotta have some elbow grease with this. See, it's cracking, so that's making me a little nervous. All right. So it did a couple cracks. Now it's coming through. So I'm turning it this way so you guys can see it coming through. And I have another one. So let me just go ahead and push that one on through. Let's see how this did. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh yeah, it's stuck. And this one It didn't stick all the way to the top. All right, so I don't want to waste paper, but what I failed to do is, oh, I'll be able to get that off though. All right. So we have that there, and I will grab my scissors. Can I use my rotary cutter? All right, got it. So I just took my rotary cutter and cut it, because I probably should have put a gap. Oh, and I just realized my lighting and the editing. So I am going to peel the sticky part off. So I wanted the sticky part to cover this. And it is sticky. Yep, sticky. And I just want to, I can't get it off. I want to place this on as even as possible. Now I know my corners on this page is already rounded, so I'll have to round the cardboard to match. All right. And then they tell you to burnish it, and burnishing is just taking your bone folder and just going over it to set it in. To give it the stick. So I'll let that stick, and then I'll do the next one. So I'm going to peel the back. And generally, I guess if I would have, I guess now that it started, it's cool. Because there's no sticky part up here. So I guess that was just for the first one. So I am not one to waste. And I know it kind of defeats the purpose, but I just want to be real when I'm showing you guys a product of what has actually happened. And that is for my first go round. This is just a little piece of double-sided tape. So for my first go round, it did not catch. It did not catch on the very tippy top. So I just want to, when I'm doing a product review, I want to show you guys what it really is, and what really, I don't want to embellish anything about the product. Because some of you may purchase this based off of this video, and I've had people do that. So I just want to show you guys. And so I burnished it. Now it did what it was supposed to do, and I didn't get it all the way even. So I'm just going to trim off a little bit. And that is user error, that I didn't get it. I didn't place it all the way to the tippy top. So I just cut off the edge using my rotary cutter and my mat. And I usually use this for sewing. I can't even tell you how long I had this. I've cut fabric with it. I've never even changed the blade yet, and I've had it for years. Make sure I get, did I get all the way down? And actually, I can cut. I can use my rotary cutter to actually cut this board. And so what I'm actually going to do with this is I'm just going to make a little notebook with my my cinch. I don't have the right size. I can't show you guys how I'll do it, is because I don't have the binding spirals. I did order them, and they should be in this week, so I don't know if I'm going to use this actual one to show you guys. I'm trying to stay straight on the straight and narrow here, but I don't know how good I am doing on that. So it's good enough for me. And then I'll just do this one. So what I did was I just made that cardboard into a little sticker where I can put my cardstock on to make it into a hardbound book. And then I could use my cinch to punch holes in it and to make it into a little notebook. And I'll do that in a whole nother video, but I just wanted to show you guys real quick how you could actually use this Xyron, and I hope I'm saying it right. I know the X is like pronounced like a Z. And then you could just take like your bone folder and go against your edges to kind of round off too. Oh, I didn't even out my white spaces. To get my white spaces off. I love this rotary cutter because I can't even see the white that I'm taking off. And don't get me wrong, I know you guys just saw me go like this with the knife. This blade is sharp. It definitely is sharp, and I'm definitely grateful I did not cut myself on camera. All right. So now I have my two pieces of a board to which I am going to make into a notebook. I'll punch some holes in here, and then I'll just slide some paper in between. And then once the proper size of my spirals get here, I'll just make it into a little notebook, and I'll show you guys that in another video. But I just wanted to show you guys this creative sticker from Xyron, and I'm gonna say that I do like this little gadget that we made it into a sticker. So my only flaw was the beginning, just that top part, but I don't know if that was like really user error or the fact that this was a brand new gadget, if that is the reason. So I definitely will be using this. And before I go, I just want to show you guys, I'm just going to do the measurement here to show you guys that it is 5 inches across. And then all the roll inside must total 10 inches. So that might be 10 inches just from the roll. All right, so there you got it. So I'll leave a link in the description bar down below so that you guys can purchase your own, create a sticker if you want to make little notebooks. I'll show you guys how to make a notebook once I get my my spiral binding. All right, so that's it. Let me know if you guys use a Xyron to do any of your crafting, which one that you actually use, and how do you like using the Xyron to make your product. Oh, and what I just noticed on the box is that they do have social media, so if you want to follow them to see how to do different projects, I'm assuming. I have not checked out their actual site on how to do them, but if you want to, they're on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Alright guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button to be the first to know when there's a new video posted to this channel. Blessings. Bye guys.